we were really wanting something to stand up in, but not a big profile to pull. So we saw one of these at Hungry Mother State Park in Virginia. And I'm like, what is that? I want one right now. And the lady said, this is the prettiest room in my house. And I said, well, it would be the prettiest room in my house too. I'm very pleased to have one. There's storage under the bed, the heater's under the end of one bed, the air conditioner's under the dinette. The dinette makes the bed. Oh yeah, there's some odd little things in the back to make the cushions slant so they're comfortable. And we've got it made up into twin beds, but if you put the cushions in between them, you can have an almost king-size bed.
What year is it?
This is a 2018.
And how much does it weigh, do you know?
1876 empty.
Okay.
Wow.
And I don't mind it. It's got air conditioner and a fan, but we don't use the air conditioner that much. It's got that nice fan. That's all we do.
Look at that kitchen. Wow.
I made people well narrower than, I mean, you can't buy beds really size bed even fit. Yeah.
So I'm guessing this is the bathroom. And that folds up because it's got a hinge on it. And that's the shower curtain up there. Okay, my camper's next. This is mine, 1987 Cadet. It is originally from Poland as a one-piece fiberglass shell, and they sent it to Canada, 100 empty shells, and then they were finished in Canada. And mine was originally sold in Pennsylvania, which is where I bought it in 2021. That is originally a 4-person dinette. I cut it back to a 30-inch bed for me. And over here, my brother built in an air conditioner and a refrigerator. And my favorite part is the top pops up. It's a 6x9 box. It's tiny, all fiberglass.
We started out with a vintage camper. We had a 6x10, probably just about the size of Doreen's camper years ago. You know, 2 little bitty narrow beds, 24 feet wide, 5.5 feet long. Got to be little. And we went to a R-Pod, which was a big teardrop. And then we bought a regular teardrop and decided after about 2 trips that it's just too small for us. And so we gave that to my niece, and then we bought another R-Pod. And that one was, I hate to say it was a piece of junk, but we had perpetual problems with it. So we kept it a couple of years and said enough. So I said, I'm spending the money and I'm buying a nice camper. So I bought a nice camper.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. So,
Can I go in?
yeah, oh yeah. Full bath and all of that.
Now, this isn't the one you had.
Wow, really nice.
This is the movie about what
That big window over the bed.
might be.
Okay, talk to us, guys.
Yeah, you need to give a
this is,
demonstration. I can't figure out how
Believe it
that
or not,
works.
this is a 1980 Shelton Pony pop-up frame. We were going to restore the pop-up, and it was so far gone that I talked with my wife and said, let's just start over. Let's start over. Be easier. And I just internet some 50 style teardrops and just got ideas after ideas, and
Of course, you had some parts to use off the other pop-up camper.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's when we got the building. I was like, well, man, we can make a slide out because we got all the parts. And I had to have him.
Those people don't measure right.
I had to put the bin on afterwards after I put it outside. And then we were working on something. something else on the inside. And I got so mad.
It was the plastic roofing on the inside of this. And he said, I'm done with it. I'm going to burn it. And I said, all right, whatever. And then I see him walking with a gas can across the backyard.
Oh my gosh. So how does this work? Because
So we take the canvas off, you lift the top up, these slide off, and then lay on the bed.
the sides?
Yeah.
We can take the
Okay.
base off the bricks and fit. We will redo the canvas. It was kind of a quick homemade job. We took the floor of an old tent and sewed the window onto it to see if it worked.
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, the same slide that makes the
Oh,
bed
okay.
slide in, I
Gotcha.
put slides on the wall. So you just lift the door up, slide them off, lay it on the bed, slide it off, lay it on the bed. Take the supports out of here, and then everything.
No, I must start it in September 2013, finished it August 24th. Took 11 months to build. It's a 5x8. It's a northern tour, no floor trailer. It was pre-welded and everything. Got birch sides and headliners. All the cabinetry is red oak. And it weighs about 1,500 pounds. Oh, yeah. We've always camped with dogs, so we've always had dogs at home.
It's probably a lot nicer.
Oh, I like the pillowcases.
Plus we don't have birds.
That's it. Build on a trailer from Lowe's or landscape trailer. About 6 bolts, I can pull the whole camper off of the trailer if I ever want to put it on a aluminum trailer, replace the trailer, or use the trailer as a landscape trailer. Green plywood on the side, Baltic birch laminated to it. On the inside, cabinet grade birch plywood. And fiberglass, well, epoxy and fiberglass on top. Nothing too kind of was going through utilitarian. Really, I just needed a place to sleep when I went to the basement and sleep on the floor. It's kind of 7 beds of bodies sometimes. Unfortunately, I could do it all laying down. I upgraded to a little plumbing.
And this is our Saturday night potluck. And then everybody leaves in the morning. And I'll show you some of the food here. I can tell you one thing, we sure have eaten good this weekend. And nobody coming to these events is going to go hungry, because there sure is some good food. You might gain 10 pounds, but you won't be hungry. It's Sunday morning. Everybody's having their coffee and packing up, getting ready to leave. So I wanted to say goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because it's totally free to subscribe. And then if you ring that little bell there and hit all, you'll get an email notification when I post a new video. So again, I thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. I post every Wednesday and sometimes on the weekends.